What is going on, people? It's Matt from Liquid Loans, and in this video I'll be looking at some other smart contract blockchains and what they have done in terms of price appreciation to understand more about the possibilities of what PulseChain could do within the short and long term. So with no further ado, let's go. So let's get straight into it. In the past 5 years, many smart contract blockchains have popped up, and today we're going to look at 5 that have done very well in terms of price appreciation, with Ethereum leading the pack. And as we can see, a wide range of X's from the initial coin offer prices to the all-time highs. Here we can see Ethereum has that first mover advantage, and that's displayed in its near 14,000x that it's done from around 31 cents at the ICO price to an all-time high of over 4,500 US dollars. Next we can see BNB has done nearly a 7,000x, Cardano over 1,200x, Polygon over 1,300x, and Solana over 1,000x. And let's not forget, some of these chains are barely functional, Cardano being a case in point. Solana has been plagued with constant bugs and saw 300 million US dollars get hacked from a bridge exploit. Polygon caught an issue just in time before millions of dollars went missing from a security breach, to name just a few issues. But that being said, none of these negativities have seemed to hinder investors from speculating on the price, and therefore we've seen whopping increases in their value over time. So let's now look at the mean, which means the average of all the X's each project has done. We do this by adding all 5 numbers together and then dividing by 5. So the total number of multiples added together is 24,347. We divide this by 5 and we get a mean of 4,869. So the mean X of all the projects together is 4,869x, which I don't think anyone in their right mind would turn their nose down at. Now let's shift our attention to PulseChain, which is not only a fork of Ethereum and an EVM compatible blockchain, but a never seen full system state copy. Remember, anyone who holds an ERC20 will be getting a copy on the PulseChain, which will be known as a PRC20. Let's not also forget the super cheap fees that will start at fractions of a penny, 3-second blocks on average, and of course an environmentally friendly proof of stake system. PulseChain is essentially beating ETH 2.0 to market, but it's also deflationary. It is then not hard to imagine that PulseChain is easily set up for success, not only in the practical use case, but in the terms of price appreciation. Other bullish metrics and indicators include the PulseChain Telegram group that at the time of recording this has over 60,000 members, and that number is ever growing as more and more people join and find out about the possibilities with PulseChain. There are also many different projects already building and eagerly waiting to launch once the mainnet goes live, such as Liquid Loans, and this is only growing as developers see the potential that exists in the fundamentals of PulseChain and the strong community that has formed around the anticipation of a faster, cheaper, and better EVM blockchain. To sum it up, ETH, BSC, ADA, Matic, and Poly have all seen thousands of X in price appreciation, although there is still lots to be desired in what they can actually deliver. This in turn could be seen as a very bullish indicator of what a fully functional blockchain that is fast, cheap, and deflationary, along with a full system state copy such as PulseChain, could really do. Time will tell, but try not to blink when mainnet goes live, because the energy is electric around PulseChain and things may never be the same in the world of blockchains again. So I hope you enjoyed that video on the possibilities of the PulseChain price compared to other smart contract blockchains. If you liked the video, guys, do hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you're notified every time we drop new content and videos on the channel. You can also tap the like button, share the video with someone who you think it may benefit, and maybe drop a cheeky comment below for the algo. It does help us out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.